Riley, you want to take the spoon? That's a girl. Can you feed yourself? That's not in your mouth. Can you put it in your mouth? It's not your mouth. It's a little further down. There you go. That's a girl. Mmm. Tender beef pilaf. You want some more? Let's see, where did that food go? Oops, there it is on the carpet. You flung it pretty far. Mmm. Get the spoon in your mouth. I'm going to try again. You gotta let go. Mommy's gonna put a little food on it for you. Okay? There you go. Gonna try? Goes in your mouth. That's a girl. Good job. How about that? Yummy. You're good at getting the spoon in your mouth. You just gotta do it with some food on there. Put that food on your hand.